Everyone, I am back, and I'm back with a spot prize giveaway, and this is a super fun one with a little game involved in it. So firstly, let me show you what I'm giving away for this spot prize, and it's some of the things that I've used in some of my tutorials this week. So we have this lovely banner, like tuck spot for your journal. And that's got Charming's mum and auntie in it. So one of these that I made earlier, I just thought you could have one. There's also this lovely pocket. This is the Tim Holtz one, and you can put all your little goodies in and attach that to a page. So that's a lovely here's the slots pocket die tutorial that I did the other day as well. Then I just went through some of my ephemera things that I've made. This was made from wallpaper, and then I just attached some pictures on, and this lovely saying says, beautiful and graceful, varied and enchanting, small but approachable, butterflies lead you to the sunny side of life, and everyone deserves a little sunshine. So cute. And you can use that as a tuck spot, a little journaling card. Wow, you've got sewing on there, but I personally use that as a pocket or a tuck spot for your journal. I have a couple of these little baggies that I made from, this one's from a vintage Rupert the Bear book. Look how cute that is, just like a little pocket bag. Oops. Let me just, where you glue it sometimes you've got to just release that a little bit. There you go. So there's two of those. That's made from an old shopping bag. So you've got two little pockets there. And then this is made, an envelope made from a book page. Just thought that was really pretty. And one of my little book page little booklets, excuse me, which I leave blank so that you could put an image on the front or do what you want with that. Okay, so there's some lovely journaling goodies there. Now, the fun part. Now, I'm really into these list books at the moment, like a list a day, where, and it's getting to know myself, etc. And there's lots of funny things in there, like, I don't know, your top 5 favourite movies, things like that. And anyway, I thought, let's have a little game. So one of them, this is one of my journaling cards, is name 5 of your favourite solo artists. Okay, so I thought, okay, I was having to think about them, and I thought what I could do is have a little game with you. Now, any of you that want to enter, it's very, very easy. I'm going to put on here 5 solo artists, and then 1 to 5, and then I am going to put 5 of my favourite solo artists, throughout my life on this journaling card. Now, if you want to enter, this is how it works. All you have to do is below in the comment box is name a solo artist who you think will be on my number, 5, my list of 5. You get 1 go a day. So what I'm going to do is get up tomorrow morning, check my comments for this video, and see if any of you have named one of my 5 solo artists. Now, this is the rules. You only get 1 go a day. If no one's got one of those names, so tomorrow I'll check it. If one of you has one of those names, I will do a video, let you know who has won these prizes. If nobody has had with their their first go, name them, then tomorrow's video you comment again and you can have another guess, and it's going to go on and go on until somebody names one of my top 5 solo artists. So not a group, these are solo artists, and you'll just have to have a go and see if you can guess one of my 5. Now, it will be the first person, so there might be 2 people tomorrow that name one, but it will be the first person to comment with the right answer that will win these goodies. And like I said, if no one gets it today, I will do a video tomorrow, let you know no one has, and then comment on that video, and we'll keep on going until someone wins these goodies. So I'm going to go away. I'm hoping this pen is going to write on here, because I did gesso on this so I could write on it, and this is one of my collage journal cards. So let's just do so name 5 of your favorite solo artists, and it writes just fine. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm going to go away and make my list, and then tomorrow I will see you tomorrow, and let's see if any of you have named one. So you get one go each day. All right, so if you don't get it right with the first one, you can have a go tomorrow if no one else gets it right. So good luck, everyone. These are the goodies that you will get. Look, aren't they lovely? They are really cute. So good luck, everyone, and I will see you tomorrow. I wonder if anyone's going to get it right. So solo artist, not group, male or female. Okay, I'm going to probably have a male, you know, some male, some female in here anyway. So good luck, everyone, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.